Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Authenticator app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Authenticator, you should just go to settings. After that you will go to apps, default settings here, and you will click apps. Then you will enter to Authenticator. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn, you can click on your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us.